Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and delete your Gmail account. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment below. If you're after more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for anything tech or digital related, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. So the first thing you want to do is come and open up your internet. I'm just going to get rid of these tabs a minute. And to delete your Gmail account, you need to go to a website, a web address, which is this one here. I'm going to copy and paste that. What I'll do is leave this in the video description below the video. Once you come to this page, you'll see it's going to come up with a message saying delete specific Google services or your Google account. If you're no longer interested in using specific Google services like Gmail or YouTube, you can sign into your Google account to delete them. You can even delete your entire account and all your data like emails and photos. So what we want to do is go and click on to sign in. And then we're just going to put our details in for the account we're going to delete. This is just an old account of mine. So that's just confirming my phone number. And here we go. So you've got a couple of options. You can delete a Google service. So if you wanted to delete your YouTube channel, if you've got a YouTube channel or your Gmail, this is the one you would go for. To permanently delete your Google account, so this whole account, if you want to delete it fully, including everything that's linked to the account, so any photos, email addresses, anything along those lines, you want to click on this box here. And then there's a couple more options about downloading data and making a plan for your account, which you don't really need to worry about too much in this video. The one we're going to look at is this first box here, delete a Google service. So what we want to do is go ahead and give this a click, delete service. And it's going to ask you to enter your password just to verify that it is you wanting to delete your service. Now you can see there are a couple of options. There is a YouTube channel set up on this account as well. No videos uploaded. So as you can see, you've got the two options. If you don't have a YouTube channel, chances are this option isn't going to come up. But what you want to do is go to this one, Gmail, here. And if you look to the right, there's a little trash can. You just go ahead and give that a click. Okay, so what's going to happen is going to ask you to enter an alternative email address. Now, this is if you wanted to use, because you're not deleting your actual Google account, you're just deleting the Gmail link to it. So what you need to do is enter an email address, an alternative email that you can use to log into the Google account to use it still for things like Google Play, Docs, or a calendar. It can't be a Gmail address, so it would have to be something like Hotmail, Yahoo, or and any other service besides Gmail really. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop an email that I want to use. And what's going to happen is Google's going to send a verification email to this new email address. The Gmail that you're looking to delete won't actually be deleted until you've verified this new email address. And it's just going to confirm that here with this box. It says verify your new Google account email address to remove your Gmail. I know it sounds a bit confusing, but basically, in a nutshell, what it's saying is to delete your Gmail address, you have to log into your email, the one you've just put down, and verify that that's the email you'll be using for this Google account, and that will wipe the Gmail address. Until you do that, that Gmail address won't be deleted. So what I'm going to do is just come across and show you how to do that. So I'm actually using a Hotmail account now, and this will be the email address linked to that Google account rather than the Gmail. I'm going to go and click on sign in. I'm just going to enter my details in. Like this. Oh, so I haven't used this account in a while, so there we go, that's the password. And then I'm going to go to my email, which is Outlook for Hotmail. Okay. So you might have to check your junk mail, you might have to check, other folders in your email address, just in case it's ended up then instead of your actual inbox. And you can see here, it's got the email here from Google, which says Gmail deletion confirmation. And it's basically saying, we've received a request to permanently delete Gmail from your Google account. Once Gmail is deleted, you won't be able to send, receive, or access previous emails from your Gmail address. Within 2 working days of your request, your Gmail address will be deleted. If you don't want to delete Gmail from your account, please ignore this message and your Gmail data won't be lost. If you still wish to permanently delete Gmail from your Google account and lose all of your Gmail data, click the link below. So, what's going to happen? You're going to go ahead and click on this link here. If for some reason you've changed your mind and you no longer want to delete your Gmail, just ignore the email. Don't click the link, and it won't be deleted. But if you're happy to go ahead, all you need to do is just read through this. As it says, it's not the usual yada yada, so make sure you read this. And what will happen is, once you're happy, you want to click the box here, which says, yes, I want to delete my Gmail permanently from my Google account. And it's just going to say all of your 16, obviously it'll be different for yourself. And then you want to go ahead and click this button here, which says delete Gmail. And that's it done. So it can take 2 business days for that to go through. But obviously once that's done, that will be deleted from your Google account. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please remember to leave a like and comment below. And also subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.